Does your grinder start stinking maybe after usage for making mince, or maybe you have used it for some masala which leaves a bad smell? So for that, put in some baking soda and vinegar like this, and then add normal tap water and hot water and leave it for some time. Just shake it like this. See that the water inside is not too hot, it is bearable. Rinse it and again follow the same step. Add baking soda, vinegar, normal tap water, and thereafter you will add hot boiling water. Once you have done with this step the second time, then you will have to keep this in the grinder itself for at least an hour so that it eliminates any smell if there is. Once you are done, then just rinse your grinder normally and it will be stink free. Like the hack, then please do share it with others, and for more interesting hacks, as always, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.